At that time in no load, the open circuit voltage is 8.18. The open circuit voltage is 8.18. In today's the experiment is regulated power supply. We using a transformer 90 transformer, and its specification is 500 milliamps, 90 bridge type transformer. This is an bridge rectifier, and this is an filter capacitor. Capacitor value is 470 microfarad, 25 volt. And now we regulate Zener regulator, and using a series pass regulation system. The Zener diode voltage is 5.6 volt, and this is the 500 milliwatt Zener. This is the 500 milliwatt Zener. We are using a 2 transistor here. The transistor is CL100. The transistor is CL100. Now the load resistance is 470 ohms. 470 ohms, and output current is 17.4 milliamps, and output voltage is 8.13 volt. Now the load resistance is 560 ohms, and the output voltage is 8.12 volt, 12 or 13, 8.13 volt, and current is 14.5 milliamps. Now the load resistance is 660 ohms, and output current is 11.8 milliamps, and the output voltage is 8.13. Now the load resistance is 880 ohms, and the output voltage is 8.12 volt or 8.13 volt, and current is 10.4 milliamps. Now the load resistance is 1K, and the output voltage is 8.13, and the current is 8.2 milliamps. Now the load resistance is 1K plus 220 ohms, and the output voltage is 8.15, and current is 6.7 milliamps. Now the load resistance is 1K plus 330 ohms, and the output voltage is 8.14. Output voltage is 8.14 or 8.15, and current is 6.1 milliamps. The load resistance is 1K plus 560 ohm, and the output voltage is 8.15 volt or current is 5.2 milliamps, and the load resistance is 1.8 K, and at that time the output voltage is 8.14 volt and current is 4.5 milliamps. Now the load resistance is 2K and output voltage is 8.15 and current is 4.1 milliamps. 2K plus 220 ohm, 2K plus 220 ohm load resistance, and the output voltage is 8.15 and current is 3.7 milliamps. Now the load resistance is 2K plus 560 ohms, and the output voltage is 8.16 volt and current is 3.2 milliamps. And now the load resistance is 3K. Now the load resistance is 3K and output voltage is 8.16 and the current is 2.7 milliamps. Now the load resistance is 4.7K. Load resistance is 4.7K and the output voltage is 8.17 and current is 1.7 milliamps. And now the load resistance is 5.7K and the output voltage is 8.6 volt and current is 1.4 milliamps. Thank you. Now the line regulation. This is the regulated Zener regulated circuits in series pass, and the line regulation, the variac voltage is 100 volt, input AC voltage 100 volt, and the output at that time the output voltage is 4.43 volt and current is 6.4 milliamps. And now the input voltage is 120, the output voltage is 5.50, the input voltage is 125, the output voltage is 6.08, the input voltage is 130, the output is 6.14, and the input voltage is 140, the output voltage is 6.49, the input voltage is 150, the output voltage is 6.96, the input voltage is 160, the output voltage is 7.38, the input voltage is 170, the output voltage is 7.83, the input voltage is 180, the output voltage is 8, the input voltage is 190, the output voltage is 8.10, the input voltage is 200, the output voltage is 8.14, the input voltage is 210, the output voltage is 8.18, the input voltage 220, the output voltage is 8.22, the input voltage is 230, the output voltage is 8.26, and input voltage is 240, our output voltage is 8.27. This is the line regulation. The input voltage is in AC volt. It is connected to the variac is connected to the transformer primary side, and we vary the variac voltage and we see the output DC voltage at a time. This is a current limiting circuit in power supply. We are using a 3 transistor CL100 and one Zener diode 5.6 volt. There is a filter capacitor 470 ohms, 470 microfarad, 25 volt, and a bridge rectifier using a 1N4007 diode, and there is a transformer. And now the load resistance is 2K, and the output voltage is 8.12 volt and the current is 3.6 milliamps, and the voltage base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.14 volt. Now the current limiting circuit, the load resistance is 1.5K, and the current is 5.4 milliamps, and output voltage is 8.11 volt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.19 volt. In current limiting circuit, the load resistance is 1.2K and the current at that time the current is 6.8 milliamps, output voltage is VDC 8.11 volt, and base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.23 volt. In current limiting circuit, that the load resistance at that particular time is 1K. Load resistance is 1K and the current is 8.2 milliamps. Output voltage is 8.08 volt and current limiting transistor, the base emitter voltage is 0.27 volt. Now the load resistance is 820 ohms, 820 ohms, and the at that time current is 9.8 milliamps. The voltage is 8.08 volt, and the base emitter of that current limiting voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.32 volt. Now the load resistance is 680 ohms, 680 ohms, and the current is 11.9 milliamps, and output voltage is 8.15 volt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.37 volt. Now the current limiting circuit, the output load resistance is 560 ohms and the current is 14.4 milliamps and output voltage is 8.21 volt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor CL100 is 0.39 volt. Now the load resistance is current limiting circuit is 470 ohms and the output current is 17.4 milliamps and voltage is 8.12 volt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.47 volt. Now the load resistance is 330 ohms and the output voltage is 7.77 volt, 7.77 volt, and current is 22.5 milliamps, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.57 volt. Now the current limiting circuit, the load resistance is 220 ohms and the output voltage is 6.93 or 92 volt and current is 24.6 volt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.57 volt. Now the load resistance is 120 ohms and the current is 30.1 milliamps and the output voltage is 3.59 volt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.66 volt. Now the load resistance is 100 ohms and output voltage is 3.18 volt and current is 31.2 milliamp, and base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.68 volt, and the load resistance is 75 ohms, and the current is 31.8 milliamps, voltage is 2.75 volt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor 0.69 volt, and the load resistance is 47 ohms, and the output voltage is 2.6 millivolt, 2.6 volt, and the current is 28.1 millivolt, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.49 volt. Now the load resistance is 22 ohms, and the output voltage is 1.33 volt, and current is 29.3 milliamps, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.5 volt, and now the load resistance is 10 ohms, and the output voltage is 0.74 volt, current is 29.6 and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.5 volt, and the load resistance is 6.8 ohms, 6.8 ohms, and current is 30 milliamps, and the voltage is 0.59 volt, and the current limiting transistor base emitter voltage is 0.5 volt, and the load resistance is 4.7 ohms, and the current is 29.7 volt. Now the load resistance is 1 ohm, and the output current is 30.1 milliamps, and the output voltage is 200 millivolt near about, and the base emitter voltage of the current limiting transistor is 0.49 volt. Thank you.